record that shit.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hey, look, check this out, man. I'm about to start this shit over again. I got all my wires, like, heat shrink with butt connectors. Hold on, stay right there. I had bought this kit right here, you know what I'm saying? I bought this kit right here to off Amazon and shit. What I'm doing now is, I got everything ready. I'm still having problems with these relays. I don't know if I got the switch wire with the other wire. Like I don't know. But my fuel pump ain't turning. Everything is on switch power like it's supposed to be, and it still ain't turning on. Through the computer, how can I say it? The computer have a wire where it goes straight to the fuel pump, and then, you know what I mean? Like they talk to each other. I don't know. But I might start this shit right now, man. Shout out Cortez, you heard? The whole nation. Well, it's running. I mean, I still gotta work on these relays though. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then you heard what like it sound like, I don't know. That's where I'm at though. You know what I mean? It's hot as hell out here. I just want to shoot that real quick, and then, you know what I'm saying, I get back with y'all later.